Parky.
Hmm.
Parky.
Oh.
You want pizza?
Yeah.
Ang loko ka na. Kain lang natin ah.
Oh, bakit? Oh, pidyo-pidyo ka na. Mag-order ka na. Waiting. Good choice. Come on.
Hindi ng loko.
Nag-rumble na yata yung chan ko.
May love, ang heavy ng meal natin. Akala ko you will say no to my offer of pizza.
Oh, how would I say no to a great idea? It's perfect.
Ang galing-galing talaga ng asawa ko basta pagkain.
Kain tapos pizza pa. Oh. The perfect bite, you know?
Sa Papa John's ako mag-order.
Okay.
Papa John's.
Okay. Pakita mo yung sausawan.
My God, that look when I said pizza.
Oh. If there are 4 slices, there should be 4 sausawan. Okay?
Oh my God. Diyos ko po.
Come on. The night is young. Come on.
Anong the night is young? 11 na, 11 p.m.
No. In Dubai, that is still young, you know?
And we ate at what time? 9? 9 o'clock? Oh my God, it's just 2 hours. It's just 2 hours.
2 hours?
Away from when we ate our dinner.
Doesn't matter, you know? If your room can have all of your clothes, then I have room for that food too.
Show me. Show me. Show me that room for the food.
It's somewhere there. Somewhere there.
Palalam. Diyos ko po.
Dali mo, you know?
Sige na, mag-order na ako. You pay, ha?
What?
I will just do the order. And you will pay. Okay.
I'll check my balance, you know? I think I have utang na yata sa credit. I'll get loan the credit card for the pizza.
Come on, I'll order but you pay. Okay? Thank you.
Huh?
Bilis talaga mag-say yes basta pizza. My God. That smile, oh my God, evil smile. Give me. Put it here. Give me. I will not give you. Give me the pizza. Sinabi ko lang mag-order ako. Hindi ko naman sinabing pakakainin kita.
Huh? You want me to give you the box?
You want me to sampal you? It's all mine.
Just the cover.
It's all mine. I will not give you anything.
No.
Sorry, it's all mine.
Oh.
Diyos ko po. I'll give you 1 slice only, okay?
Oh.
1 slice only.
No, it should be the other way around, right? I'll give you 1 slice.
No.
No, it's close. Oh, no, open. Eh.
Okay, let's eat.
Get me my plate.
Oh, excuse me? Niutusan mo ko?
Ito, sa ko lang yan eh. I brought it here, bit kaya. Please?
No. Pepperoni.
You want to pray?
You're asking me if do I want to pray?
Oh.
I can pray on my own. You don't know how to pray on your own because you
I
don't know how to
know.
pray.
I know how to pray. Okay. Bless us, O Lord. This thank you. Let's try about to receive pizza.
Wisit.
Sarap.
Yes.
I know how to play.
Proud ka pa, ha?
Oo.
Wisit.
At least may labas ka mga one line gano'n. Multitasking.
Just eat. Oh, goodness gracious.
No.
We even took the last slice.
No, I know this is too much for you, no?
Oh my God.
Wow. Tomorrow again?
No!
Oh.
Kanina. Tomorrow again.
They're on the other, on the, well,
Enough.
no, there we will eat with Pedro.
Enough.
And then, no, we will try naman other naman. We will try Domino's naman. Okay?
Alam, that's enough. Okay? That's enough.
No. It's never enough, you know? Like how much you like rice and this is how much I like pizza.
Dinaman mo pang rice ko, ah.
It's like that talaga, you know?
Wala pa, Diyos ko.
Oh.